Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2018 Audi R8. This is a full front only. The vehicle was bought with about 4,000 miles over here at Audi Grapevine. Car's in pretty good condition. I put it about a 9. There's very few hits. I'll show them to you on it. The car was already ceramic coated. We did a little correction on the front and then put the film on. This is Xpel XR Plus. Full front, so one piece full hood. We don't do a 3-piece. Some do, some don't. Ours is a full one piece, so there's no seam down the sides. And then the bumper, still have the tow hook hanging before we put that back in because we wrap all this in. It's picked up in a little bit today. And then all the bumpers, edges, all these little flanges, everything's get wrapped in. And this little piece down here. Coming around, wrapping all our edges on this hood. Everything gets done perfectly. All the corners, all the edges, everything's nice. I'll show you the 3 little hits on it. The mirrors are done in one section, no seaming here, so they're done really nice. Car's in great shape overall. What a good purchase. I would have done the full car purpose, in my opinion. Well, we debadged it as well, except for the R8. We took off the Audi emblems for the gentleman. But yeah, I would have done a full car, especially the carbon fiber and the rockers. And then we tinted it with XR Plus for the highest heat rejection available. 10-year written guarantee on the PPF. Our installation's covered the length of time that the factory product warranty's there. And the window film is a transferable lifetime warranty as long as you own the car. And that's basically it. We left out our little fenders down here. So everything, all 4 edges fully wrapped in. So there it is, quick one, 2018 Audi R8, full front mirrors and tint. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. I'm Brent. Any questions? ClearbrowNorthDallas at Gmail. Cell 940-703-8301 and landline 214-414-3809. Take care.